Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we created a basic CAP project and designed our data model using the schema.cds file. In this video, we will define a service for that data model and deploy the CAP project so that it's ready to be used inside our SAP MDK app in the next video. So I am importing a data model from the DB folder. So I have given the path db/schema and let's give any service name like assignment services. And here we will define our entities. Basically it is saying like take these tables and make them available through the OData service. Whatever data you will define here, it will show in our OData service. So let's define all the entities whatever I have in schema.cds file. Okay, all done. So one more thing, in package.jsn there is a CDS. Inside that we have to define our authentication and database. So in this we don't need any authentication, so simply we will write auth dummy, and database we will use HANA database, so we will write DB HANA. Okay, this is done. So let's bind our project to HANA database. Here SAP HANA project. See, here we can bind our database. Not CDS bind, sorry. There is a green icon is there. By clicking that we can bind, but first we have to log in our Cloud Foundry account. I'm giving my credential. Okay, let's find SDI container, create. I'm creating new one. If you want, you can use default also. So you can give any name. So I'm giving assignment -db. Okay, enter. It will take some time. Okay, it is created. Now we have to bind. Say it is there, assignment -db. Okay, it is showing some error. Let's see what is that. HANA database instance is stopped. Okay, let's go first. We will start HANA database, then only we can connect. We are using trial account, that's why it is stopped. Means daily we need to start once. Refresh it once. Okay, it's running. Now we are ready to connect. Okay, now it is creating. We should create shared dev key also for this. So for that I am writing cds find -2 assignment db whatever name I have given for my SDA container and my service. Okay, I have written something wrong. Assignment db is okay. Okay, let's check locally first. See all the tables list is here. Okay, what's the error? My table name. Okay, let's go to database first. Actually, I forgot to build and deploy. That's why maybe that error. Let's check now. And then we will go to database. Mm, Okay, all the table is coming. Okay, see, there is no error now. Okay, resource request timeout. So actually in database we have to add SDI container. Because of that maybe it is showing. Let's do that and after that we will check. Where is our shared dev key? Okay, there also Okay, assignment DB. Just click OK. Now it is added. Let's build and deploy now. See, in empty archives, it created one folder. Not empty. Okay, it is showing some error. Since we are using trial account, SAP BTP allows us to deploy our app only a limited number of times. So after you reach that time limit, you won't be able to use the normal deploy button. So we have to write a command cf deploy. First copy the relative path of mtar file. Okay, so cf deploy and the path of mtar file. Okay, it will take some time to deploy. Once it is done, we can use this API in our MDK project. Okay, it is deployed. Let's go and check our SRV. So go to spaces. In dev here, assignment SRV is there. So just it should be started. So just click on that. Here link. Okay, cannot get. Okay, this is half link. We have to write something like a / OData, and we can get that by running locally this project. Simply we can do copy paste, or if you want you can type also. See here / OData / v4 that we need to copy. Whatever we defined in our SR service.cds. Okay, let's check for one entity. Means in teacher, it is showing any error or what? Okay, it's capital T. It's the entity name. Okay, now there is no data. Let's go to database. We will enter some data, then we will check if it's coming or not. We have to open shared dev key. Okay. For assignment -db, whatever we created. And in tables, you can see all the entities. So go to teacher, open data. Click on add button and add any dummy data. Okay, click on save and let's check to. Okay, it is coming. So in next video we will start our MDK project, and we will use this SRV.